What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. It's actually not too bad. The last few days it's been brutally hot, and that's probably why you're noticing something is missing. You've been following me for the past few years. So yeah, I definitely cleaned myself up a little bit. I went from looking homeless to whatever the hell this is. Hey guys, I did decide to chop my hair off. It's been a long time coming. I've been growing up my hair out for 4 years, and man, it's definitely a change. Okay, so today's main topic is, I get asked this pretty frequently. So we are going to be going over my exhaust. So this whole video is going to be talking about the exhaust, how it sounds, blah blah blah, my opinion on it, and I want your opinion on it as well. So make sure towards the end of this video, once you see these clips, what your opinion is and what your favorite exhaust setup is and what your current exhaust setup is. So let me know down in the comments. I really want to know. So let's just say I have BBK Long tube headers. Technically an off-road H pipe with gutted cats, but the cats are not there, they're hollow. They look like they're there, but they're not. All the way back to Borla Ataks cat back. So pretty much this exhaust setup sounds pretty good. If you guys didn't know, I am going to be getting a different set of long tubes this winter from my buddy Corbin. He has Cooks, and Cooks definitely sounds better in my opinion than BBKs. I mean, this has like a deeper, slightly raspier tone, and I don't mind it. It sounds good. I'm not saying this car sounds bad. It sounds amazing, but I love the other sound better with the Cooks. And I hear you can get a little bit more power out of Cooks, and that's what I'm gonna go with. But yeah, basically today we're just gonna get some exhaust clips. I already pretty much explained my exhaust setup, but when I get the Cooks on this car this winter, I will do a video comparison. I'm gonna go ahead and set the tripod back up. I got the tripod right here. I'm gonna go ahead and set the tripod back up, get a few revs in, get a little takeoff in, then we'll do some inside the car footage just driving around. That backfire's kind of loud. Woo! Alrighty guys, there's the revs. So we are going to go ahead and just go cruise around and talk. Spin City, I swear to God. Second without dumping it. We're going to do a, not really a dig, because this car is not a dig car. As you can tell, it spins in third. We're going to do a little roll. I wanted to ride those gears out just a little bit. I got 410 gears in the rear end. They gotta go. They're half the reason I can't catch traction or anything. It's literally obnoxious. But there was a car bump ahead. Does get the speed quick. With the long tubes, did I notice a horsepower change? Absolutely. It's not the biggest change, but it's definitely noticeable. Probably like 20 to 30 horsepower feels like, maybe. I don't know. I don't have it down to proof to show that any of that. It does sound good. I do give it that. The setup does sound really good. Alright, so we are going to go back to the garage and end the video off there. Alrighty, so we are back at the garage. Got the car parked. Man, I love being able to keep this car out of the weather. This car has never been out of the weather like this, stored, and I don't know how long. Never had the room for it. Sometimes at my old house I would park in the garage, but that garage would get full and the car had to be moved in and out several times. It just wasn't worth it. Alrighty guys, so that's going to be the end of this video. If you like this video and you want to see more content like this with the Mustang, Crown Vic, all my other projects, definitely consider subscribing. I would greatly appreciate it. And let me know down in the comments what you think of this video, about the exhaust. I've already said this in the beginning of the video, but please leave a comment and let me know what you think of the exhaust and what you have. Alrighty guys, I will see you in the next video.